publish our data semantically, one of the first things we're going to want to do is take all of the structured data that we already have and convert it into RDF. So are there tools out there that would right now allow us to do something like that? And I found, in fact, there are quite a few different tools available. They're not perfectly end-user friendly, but they're not so bad. For example, to transfer MARC records to RDF records, there are at least 2 applications I found online. One of them is written in Ruby, one of them is written in Java, so depending on which you're more comfortable with, you might choose one or the other. But I've tried this Ruby one by Russ Singer, and it did in fact work. I was able to generate RDF from a bunch of MARC records from our library. OAI to RDF also exists. There's an RDFizer for that, and I've tried this one too, and once again, it did work, and it wasn't very difficult to use. So, just to let you know, these tools exist out there. Dublin Core, well, we have a big advantage here because Dublin Core is one of the vocabularies that is already used very heavily on the semantic web. And when you look at namespace declarations in RDF documents, you often see the DC elements and the DC terms and increasingly the DC abstract model as well. So it's nice that libraries often already have a lot of Dublin Core data, and that's easy to port to RDF. There are so many different RDFizers out there. You can take your email, you can take citation formats, all sorts of different things. There's a great site on Simile, produced by MIT, that gives you a whole list of different RDFizers. So we've got the structured data, we want to convert that, but the next thing we're going to want to do is start publishing our data in RDF as a native format rather than trying to convert everything all the time. Turns out that actually a lot of popular web publishing tools already have RDF and semantic capabilities. So, for example, many libraries run blogs, and Zemanta is an example of a semantic plugin for bloggers. So essentially, it does this entity extraction as you type. It suggests links. It suggests related media, related articles, and related tags. And if you're on the right blogging platform, I think it's for all of them right now, what it will do is it will put RDFA right into the code of your blog. So you're exposing that data on the back end in RDFA without really knowing anything about writing RDF or writing RDFA. Wikis are another very common platform. Many of our libraries have these available. Semantic Media Wiki is one example of a semantic wiki that produces RDF on the back end. And the way that it's able to do this is that you enter a lot of your data in these structured forms to begin with. So it's already highly structured data.